Hola, bienvenido, Spanish Pocket Guru here, SPG aquí, and this is pronunciation quick tip numero uno. Pronunciation is so important when first learning the Spanish language. I spend so much time on it. I tie it to everything. It's a major foundation. You can't dismiss it. You have to go right at it. That's why Lección numero uno exists. It also exists to make you more confident in yourself. People often say, I'm not good at pronouncing words in Spanish. I prove you wrong there because you have Spanish pronunciation through three words: quesadilla, jalapeno, uno. Please put those words to work, gain more confidence in yourself, and let's have fun with this because you should be having fun when you're learning a language. So this quick tip is going to help you make sure that you demonstrate better pronunciation. How are you going to do that? I'm going to tell you to slow down. One major mistake most people make when pronouncing words in Spanish is saying them way too fast. You don't have that capability right now because you're not that comfortable with the Spanish language. You can't treat Spanish the way that you treat English. You can look at words in English like this, or like this, and know exactly what you're saying and demonstrate perfect pronunciation because you've seen those words a billion times in your life. Spanish is a little bit different. You need to slow it down. I'd say put into effect the 3 to 5 second rule. Look at a word, analyze it, think about it, use your 3 helper words, quesadilla, jalapeno, uno, say the word. If in 5 seconds you say the word and you nail it, you won. Over time, that 5 seconds is going to diminish and you're going to say words a lot faster with better articulation. And that's going to be because you take the time and you follow my lead, because that's what it's all about, everybody. So let's do a little experiment. I have a dry erase board here that I wrote 5 words on in English. I'm going to flip it over for 1 second and I want you to say what you see when you see it. Just blurt it right out. I'm trying to prove a solid point here. Are you ready? Here we go. 5 words in English, 1 second. Here we go. What do you think? Everybody, I guarantee, knew within the 1 second they saw it that it was the United States of America. You've seen all of this so many times in your life that that's all you needed was 1 second. Do you have that capability and luxury in Spanish? I'm not so sure. On this whiteboard, I have the same amount of words in Spanish. It's not the United States of America in Spanish, I can tell you that, but it's 5 words in Spanish. I'm going to show it to you for 1 second, and I want you to say what you see. And let's see if you can demonstrate perfect Spanish pronunciation right away. Ready? Here we go. Did you get that? Are you able to demonstrate perfect Spanish pronunciation of that in just that 1 second? I don't think that you are. Most people cannot pass this test unless they're a native Spanish speaker. But I'm going to show it to you now. And I'm going to tell you to take 3 to 5 seconds per word if you need it. Think about quesadilla, jalapeno, uno. Bounce those words off this and say it again. With a little bit more time, analyzing it a little bit deeper, you're going to probably be able to say it a lot better than you did before when we first did the 1 second experiment. So give it a shot. I'll give you 15 seconds. What do you think? At this point, you should probably say, quisiera ir a la playa. Quisiera ir a la playa. You wouldn't be able to do that with 1 second, but with 15 seconds, you probably nailed it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and I hope I proved to you that you need a couple extra seconds to say words accurately in Spanish. Take 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to do wonders for you, and it's going to make you more confident over time. That's the overall point, everybody. Stay tuned for quick tip on pronunciation numero dos. It's coming soon. It's going to blow your mind because it's going to really pull together even more, and it's going to help you pronounce words even better. So, subscribe, follow, send me to a friend. Remember, it's all in the name. Spanish Pocket Guru. SPG aquí. Ciao. Nos vemos. Adios.